Hi, this is Charting Man Dan of TheChartGuys.com, home of technical analysis education. Click the link for a free week trial, no credit card required, and gain access to our multiple live broadcasts daily, community chat room, educational videos, nightly watch lists, and more. Invest in your education and future and join the community today.
Hey everybody, looking at natural gas, daily, weekly, shorter term time frames. So now we're seeing more of a pullback. It's on increased bearish volume, and we have our lower high and lower low on the daily. So that means back off as a bull, we're going to get a better opportunity for an entry. And we're looking down at support, the low today, 314.4. Middle Bollinger Band, wow, let's try that again. Middle Bollinger Band is down at 311, on the verge of a bearish MACD cross. And as long as we form a higher low compared to 2866, the uptrend is intact. We could pull all the way back down to $3, not saying we will. All depends on the reaction to the inventory report tomorrow. But the very clear indication of weakness was, number one, the lower high yesterday, the upper wick of profit taking, and the fact that that was caused by another rejection from the 200-week moving average resistance. So I wouldn't be surprised to see it pull back down to the low $3 range, giving a nice longer-term bull entry. And we were looking for a move, a 10% move up to this resistance in the weeks following the break of $3, and it happened very, very quickly. So no surprise to see consolidation from that key resistance after rejecting from it multiple weeks in a row. And we'll see with this inventory report reaction. Even if it's a bullish reaction, I wouldn't be surprised to bounce and see another lower high form here on the daily compared to the high yesterday, 3,317. So you can even be looking for a potential bearish entry as we head back towards that resistance point if we do get up to the 320s. And if it's a bearish reaction to the inventory report, we'll have to see what these hourly RSI and shorter term RSI levels are, because we did get oversold at this point and we saw a little bounce play out. But it is looking like a potential bear flag at this point, which would indicate further downside. And there's your bear flag, parallel support and resistance channels after a big move to the downside. And if we break down, we're heading back down to the low, 3147 here on this chart. And we'll zoom out a little bit. Let's condense it to the 4-hour time frame, find the next support. And support was down here at 3165. We have broken that. So now we're looking down at 3156. We've broken that as well. So there's not a ton of support at this range. I'm looking at previous resistance, 3098, as the next clear level if this is a bear flag and we do continue to the downside. So inventory report's going to be big tomorrow. The bears are in control of the short-term time frame as we reject from weekly resistance 2 weeks in a row. And we will check back in tomorrow after the close once things get settled down after the inventory report. I appreciate you watching. Thanks for all the likes and the shares. They make a difference. I hope you have a wonderful Wednesday night.